Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Harmony One, whose current price stands at the $0.0279 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 1.68%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also show you the key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Harmony One from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.016 mark, and having done so, I believe it has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction. And starting my analysis here on the daily chart, here on the daily chart, you can see we had been trading within this descending channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside, and once we managed to break out of that channel, we also managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.029 mark. And here on the daily chart, you can see we tried to have a retest of that key area of resistance, but the retest was not a success, and we have continued unlocking even lower prices. And if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart, you can see after making our low at around the $0.16 mark, the market continued pushing higher, and we are making a series of highs. That was an indication that the buyers were trying to push the market higher, but at some point they lost it to the sellers, who took us back to around the $0.18 mark, which is a key area of support. The key area of support gave us support, and we had a very nice bounce to the upside. And in that movement, we had been trading within this channel, which we managed to break out of to the upside. And after breaking out of that channel, we also managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.029 mark. We saw a bit of a retest here. The retest was not a success, and you have continued unlocking even lower prices. And that movement to the upside, I can term it as an Elliot wave structure, having this as the first wave. Then we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2. Then we have continued pushing high in the formation of a wave 3. Then I expect a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4. Then continue pushing even higher in the formation of a wave 5. And once we see the formation of a wave 5, then we can name that fractal wave as a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details of this fractal wave so that it can give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out, after making our high for that first wave, I expected a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2. And using the Fibonacci's, by connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, that gives me the minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382. You can see we retraced into that target area. We even overshooted the fib level 0.38 a little bit. Then we started to see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 3. And using a trend-based Fibonacci, we can get the target area for that third wave to the upside. And to do that, I'll just connect the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1. Then drag the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gives me a target area at around the $0.03679 mark, and that is at the fib level 1.618. I can mark that target area here on the charts using a red target area like that, then remove the fibs. So that is the minimum that I expect this third wave to the upside to do. Expect higher prices, and we maximize that target area for that third wave. Also, because that wave is an impulsive wave to the upside, we also expect to see fractal waves in formation within a wave 4, a wave 3. And that is, we also have that structure here on the charts, having this as the first wave within that wave 3. Then we have also seen a wave 2. Then we have continued pushing even high in the formation of a wave 3. Whatever we are seeing here is what is forming a wave 4. Then I expect higher prices in the formation of a wave 5 to complete our third wave to the upside. And if I get a little bit into the details of that fractal wave within a wave 3, so that it can give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out, because we are in the formation of a wave 4, and a wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, we can use the Fibonacci's to get a target area for that fourth wave to the lower side. And to do that, I'll just connect the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3. That gives me a target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382 as a maximum. So that is the minimum that I expect that fourth wave to the lower side to do. And this target area, this is what gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the Harmony 1 chart. It's possible that we are going to maximize our red target area by going to around the $0.025 mark. So it's possible that we might this, and that movement could take us to around the $0.25 mark. We maximize our red target area for that fourth wave. Then once that plays out, I would expect a very nice reversal to the upside, manage to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.29 mark, see a successful retest of that key area of resistance, and continue pushing higher in the formation of our wave 5, which will get us into that red target area for that third wave to the upside. And once that plays out, I will expect another retracement to the lower side in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 4, then continue pushing higher in the formation of a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. It's also possible that now that we are in the target area for that fourth wave, we can find a reversal within the prices that we are in. And for that to also play out, I also expect to see higher prices on the Bitcoin chart and also an increase in volume on the Harmony 1 chart. And once we see a reversal within the prices that we are in, I would expect to break above that key area of resistance, have a retest, continue pushing higher, and get into a red target area up here for that third wave. And also taking a look at the indicators to see whether those movements here on the RSI will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 42 mark, so any movement to the upper side will be supported here on the RSI. Also, the movement to maximize our red target area here on the RSI will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD. On the MACD, we have not yet printed anything, but soon we might be printing something, and I'll keep you updated on any movement that plays out here on the chart.